In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable smooth scrolling and Google Chrome. Now, this should be a quick process video. All you have to do is to follow this instruction step by step. Now, without further ado, just go ahead, open up your Google Chrome browser. And after that, just go to the search tab if you want to enable smooth scrolling in Google Chrome. Just go to the search tab and type in Chrome:////, then type in flags. Now go ahead, click on that, and now just go ahead to the search flags that's located at the top. Just click on it, then type in smooth. Now just go ahead, click on the default. If you want to enable smooth scrolling in Google Chrome, just go ahead. Click on the second option, which is enabled, and now just click on Relaunch for changes to take place. Now when you click on it, Google Chrome will relaunch by itself. Just give it some time, and now smooth scrolling in Google Chrome is activated. So this was a quick and easy process video. As always, thank you for watching.